Hey guys, what's up? This is Crazy Working Man. Today I'm waiting for pizza. I realize I have to do something else. But first, I'm gonna put this on pause. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Kinda hungry. All those birds. Yep, I think I pissed off Uncle Dave. Because I went to go to work, last minute text from one of my yard bosses, so yeah. Yep. Yep. Hear a lot of cats meowing for some odd reason. Or that might be my ringing in my head from the lawnmower, so yep. Yep. Kids are screaming. Yep. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry though. My neighbor's down the way is like, like freaking leaving for good. But she had a purpose, so she had to go visit her kids. Birdie's chirping. Birds chirping. Yep, birds are chirping. Yep, I'm for being pizza person. Yay. Anyways, shit, tacos. I'm tired and hungry. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll speak with you again soon. Peace.